You're a network marketer and you are frustrated with building a business online. You've tried maybe ads, you've tried landing pages, you've tried lead magnets, and you're like, okay, I'm spending a fortune. This isn't working for me. I need to try something else. Maybe YouTube is your answer. And so, what I want to do is, I want to share with you how I've sold over $17,000 in personal sales. Yes, and I'm not a salesperson at all. And I recruit 5 to 6 business builders every single month because of my YouTube channel right over here. And I'm going to give you the ins and outs of what you need to be doing in order to be building a YouTube channel in to grow your network marketing business. And I'm going to be honest, I'm not quite sure why more network marketers aren't talking about what the power of YouTube can do for their business. They're talking about how to build funnels or going viral over on TikTok. But let's be honest, going viral is not a great business strategy, at least in the long term. And so, what I love about YouTube is, like I said, I've been able to build my business to the top where my team sells hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales every single month. I've recruited most of my people that I've brought into my business over on YouTube. And I personally sell a ton of my own company's product because of my YouTube videos. It truly is a dream come true. And so, what happened to me is, when I first got started in this online space, I was really frustrated with the analytics of Facebook and Instagram, and my videos or my posts would go into the abyss of never being seen again 5, 10, 20 minutes after posting it, right? And I would post these well-crafted videos and then or post, and nobody would ever see it. And so I started to build through funnels. I started to build through ads. I was paying an absolute fortune. And let's be honest, Meta doesn't love network marketers. And so my ads kept getting shut down. And so several years ago, I was like, I've got to try something different. And I started to create videos on YouTube. And I want to share with you what my strategy is so that it can help you too. First of all, when it comes to YouTube, quality over quantity, which I absolutely love. So you only need to be posting about one video a week that is well crafted on YouTube. You don't need to be showing up all the time like you do on social media in order to be successful. So you do 4 videos a month. That's it. That's all you need to do. 4 well-crafted 8 to 10 minute videos a month that are going to be about your product, about your opportunity, and then about your brand, right? Because you want to create a brand online as well. And so when it comes to YouTube, 2 of my videos a month on average, 2 of my videos, one is about the product, one is about the opportunity, and then the other 2 are about my brand, which is helping network marketers build their business online, especially via YouTube, right? So you'll see throughout my channel that that's how I do it. Now, if you want to do a total deep dive into YouTube and how to grow your business in YouTube, I have a free masterclass in the description of this video. Definitely make sure you check that out. I give you the ins and outs in way more detail than I can here in this short period of time that I have in this YouTube channel, right? But basically, the strategy is, I record one 8 to 10 minute video. I make sure that I have it well crafted. It's optimized in SEO, meaning that the keywords that I'm trying to rank for are showing up. I have a thumbnail. I have an 8 to 10 minute video that is not perfect by all means. It looks just like I do over here. There's no fancy equipment, there's no fancy editing or anything like that. And it has helped me convert and build my business to the top ranks. I am blown away at what YouTube has done for my business and the hundreds of other people that I've been able to help build their business on YouTube. So definitely make sure you check out that masterclass in the description of this video. So what happens is that I craft these videos, it is showing up in search, meaning that there are hundreds and thousands, and yes, I said thousands of people that are searching for your company's opportunity and or how to build a business from your phone, how to build an online business, how to get a side gig, right? They are looking for your product, your opportunity every single month on YouTube, on Google, in search. And so what you're going to do is, you're going to be the one that has these well-crafted videos that are uploaded on YouTube. And then people are going to message you, or they're going to be a part of, you're going to send them through your funnel, however you want to capture that lead. But these people are very different than doing interruption marketing, which is what we do over on Facebook and Instagram. What we're doing here is called intent marketing. Their wallets, they're already out. They've already done their research. They're ready to join your team. They're ready to buy your products. That's why they're searching for it. And so you don't have to beat around the bush. You can talk about your network marketing company's name, your network marketing flagship product, and or the opportunity, because it is a search engine at its core. It is not social media. And so it has been an absolute game changer. So definitely, like I said, in the description of this video, make sure that you are clicking that free masterclass that I have for you. I walk you through my entire strategy in way more detail than I can here. And then what I have for you after you've done that is I've got a video on how I've recruited hundreds of people and the verbiage that I use, because you still have to close them, right? Even though they're red hot, they're ready to join, you still have to use some great verbiage and get them, signed up. And so I've got that video for you over here as well. But I'm telling you, when you can implement one social media platform like Facebook or Instagram, and then one SEO platform like YouTube over here, it is the perfect storm for a network marketer. You are going to build your brand. You're going to create that like, know, and trust factor that's so important over on social media. And then you're also going to have people that are finding you. They might go and check out your other social media platforms to see if they really connect with you. And it's like this perfect 360 perfect circle sphere of recruiting and building your business online. And quite honestly, I'm not quite sure why more people aren't talking about it. I had success in network marketing prior to starting on YouTube, but I can tell you matter of factly that YouTube has 10x my entire business, and I've hit ranks that I never dreamed possible, and it's all because of YouTube. And I know that I'm not the only one that has had this success. I've helped hundreds of other network marketers have this success too, because there's really not that many people that are showing up on YouTube in order to grow their network marketing business. And it needs to change, because it is a dream come true for a network marketer. And if you're just new to me, I didn't even introduce myself. My name is Julie Reynolds. I have helped hundreds of network marketers like you build their business online, especially using YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out. And definitely make sure in the description of this video, you're getting my free masterclass that I've produced, that I've set up for you, so that you can get the ins and outs of all things YouTube and how to get started. Because I'm telling you, it has been a game changer for my business, and I want to help you succeed too. All right, we'll see you for the next episode of Julie Reynolds TV.